How do you correctly use respiratory protection in construction? Imagine working on a busy construction site where dust and fumes fill the air. Protecting your lungs is vital, but knowing how to use respiratory protection properly makes all the difference. First, you need to identify what hazards are present. Dust from cutting concrete, fumes from welding, or gases from chemicals, all requiring different protection. Conducting a hazard assessment helps determine the right type of respirator for each situation. There are mainly two types of respirators. Air-purifying respirators filter contaminants from the air you breathe. These include disposable masks like 1955 masks for dust or reusable half-face masks with replaceable cartridges for gases and vapors. The other type is atmosphere-supplying respirators, which provide clean air from an external source. These are used in oxygen-deficient or highly toxic environments and include supplied air respirators and self-contained breathing apparatus. Before using any respirator, workers must undergo a medical evaluation. This ensures they can wear the device safely without health issues. Once cleared, fit testing is essential. It checks that the respirator seals tightly around your face, preventing contaminated air from leaking in. Fit testing should be done before the first use and every year afterward. Training is also key. Workers need to understand how to put on, take off, and maintain their respirators properly. They should know how to check for damage before use and how to replace filters or cartridges when they become clogged or when breathing becomes harder. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for cleaning and storing the equipment to keep it in good condition. Employers must have a written respiratory protection program. This document covers hazard assessments, respirator selection, medical evaluations, fit testing, training, maintenance, and regular reviews. When using a respirator, inspect it carefully before each use. Look for cracks, tears, or dirt that could compromise protection. Store respirators in a clean, dry place away from direct sunlight. Replace filters or cartridges as recommended or when breathing resistance increases. Use the respirator only for the hazards it is designed to protect against. Even if wearing a respirator is voluntary, workers should still be medically evaluated and trained. During emergencies involving hazardous substances, proper respiratory protection can prevent serious health issues. Getting this right keeps workers safe and compliant with safety standards. Proper use of respiratory protection is a key part of personal protective equipment and site safety management. It supports healthy project operations and keeps everyone working confidently in challenging environments.